Seafood capital.
Oo, oo. Ria. Hello world from Philippines. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Velma Pasinhon. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And press the bell for the notification. Hi guys, this is our own product here in Rojas City, CAPIZ. Rojas City, CAPIZ is a well-known seafoods capital of the Philippines. Yes, that is very true. We have a lot of seafood here. That is oyster. We call it in our dialect Talaba. That is a fresh. Just only near from my place. They delivered me just only one pail, one big pail, just only 150 pesos. You deliver it cook. I asked them to clean and deliver it. It is yummy. Yan guys. Let's eat. Here in CAPIZ, we have a lot of varieties of seafoods guys. That is oysters, one of the good variety of our seafoods here. It's not so expensive. Prawn is it's depend upon the size and the quality. It's a little bit expensive, but it's really affordable. Just only 500 pesos per kilo. Wow guys, so amazing here in Rojas City, CAPIZ. Come and join my travel here in CAPIZ guys and discover the wonders of CAPIZ.